Hey everyone, Sebastian here. Today is day 10 of learning game development, or sorry, episode 10, I guess, technically. And let's just get right into it. I won't be able to count on my fingers anymore after this episode cleanly, unless I do like a boom boom thing, but I don't really want to do that. But yeah, episode 10, and I'm just gonna say 11 tomorrow. And not not count on my fingers here. It was just kind of a thing, kind of a funny, quirky thing I wanted to do, but I'm not going to be able to do it after today. But let's just get right into it. Let's just make some good progress. Or yeah, let's make some good progress. Sure. On this stealth game. So I do want to do a few more things before I resume the tutorial. I do want to do a few things on my own. I actually want to try to do everything on my own before I start the tutorial. But obviously that may not be possible. I may get stuck at some point, and I don't know what these errors are. I don't know what these errors are in my console when I start up the project. I hope they're nothing bad. Whatever. So let's just test it out right. Actually, no, I don't want to test it out. I want to try and get this delay going so that I can actually stay on a diagonal. I'm thinking maybe I put it at the beginning, or maybe it just won't even work this time. No? Okay, so I need to figure out why that's actually yeah, I need to figure out why that's actually happening. So, oh, it also has that issue where since you're going diagonally, it's um doing it like twice as fast, which is not good. I forgot how to fix that actually. Like because it adds it um yeah, because it adds it. Okay, this is why the normalize. This is why it's normalized because otherwise it's the same exact. Otherwise you move faster diagonally. I do remember that part. And let me see what's on my freaking. Oh, on my clipboard. It was just this here. Sometimes I copy links of YouTube videos and I forget to actually paste them again. I forget to actually save them somewhere. Yeah, it was just this here. I just copied that, so I don't know why. I don't know why I forgot. And honestly, quit Discord just to free up a little bit of computing power or RAM on my computer to free up uh, a little more resources. Is that, am I saying that correctly? A few more resources? on my computer. Right, I guess I'm just gonna copy this because it's easier. Yep. I may not even use the coroutine here. I'm thinking, oh yeah, one fix I had is is to put another if statement, put like a nested if statement. Here, maybe. Yeah, I think break and continue only you can only do um, on loops. So this is not a loop. So I'm just gonna try it out. Yeah, it's only a loop thing. Or do I continue? What does this do? I forget exactly what this does again. Okay, thank you for telling me thank you for telling me what they do. I'm actually gonna have to look it up. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So I just need to get to why it's actually snapping. I mean, because there's not a delay. So how do I add a delay is the real question. Hmm. So maybe let me just go back here. Maybe I'm on to the right idea. But I just have to do this. I'm gonna try 0.25 again, and let's see if that works. No. Huh. So they're both not equal to 0 here. Okay, let me think here. Yippee! What happens if I set this to like 3? Like, what happens if I do that? What happens if I just make a larger delay? Like, I want to see if the delay even works. Is even working. No, yeah, it doesn't work. It does not work. Um, yeah, it doesn't work because it's doing the same coroutine. Um, hmm. Do I have to do it over here? Wait, if I do a while this is true outside here, and then I do a stop coroutine, then that's just gonna make it so I can't move, right? Yes. Okay. I mean, I know this is not that big of a deal. Like, this isn't a crazy feature that I need to add, but whatever. So this doesn't need to be. Okay, am I gonna give up? Am I gonna give up on having there be a delay? I forget what break and continue do. I forget. I forget what they do.
Wix gives you the power of AI
Oh, the power of AI. Oh my bruh. Oh my. You know what? Whatever.
to build the website you need.
Hello, in loop, so this is full from a loop for this episode, and the break keyword can be
Continue skips to the next iteration. Break terminates. So continue wouldn't do anything. Hmm. I could do a while in. Hmm. While this is true. No, but that didn't work. Because it doesn't actually wait. It doesn't actually wait, does it? Okay. Um. Actually, maybe if I do. Okay, this is just translating it, so I don't need. I don't actually need to. I don't know what I'm doing. Look, okay, enter. I could have just done this. I'm like. I'm kind of spacing out. I'm kind of zoning today. Yeah, so if I put the while up here. No. No. No, that wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. Okay, let me think here. While this and then wait doesn't work. So, and it doesn't, okay. While this wait doesn't work, and it doesn't work because it just runs the coroutine again every update here. So, is there a way I can actually only have it update every like quarter of a second here? Like I know I can whatchamacallit? Like I did that up here. That's what I did, and it didn't work. Right? Am I wrong? Okay, no, that doesn't work. Because the coroutine just keeps... Hmm. It just keeps waiting. Hmm. Do I actually have to do a little loop here? Do I actually have to do one of these? Okay, let me think. Counter, if counter... Okay, do I have a counter value? Where is the counter value? Yeah, I'm gonna do this, but just for... Counter doesn't exist in the current context. Alright, yep. I'm gonna set this to 0.25. And there is no counter here. Because counter equal, yeah, there is no counter up here because I deleted it, I'm pretty sure. Float counter. Okay, what am I doing? And let's see this, I'm gonna print test, I guess. It's fine. Oh, actually, I have to set the counter up here. No, I don't. No, I don't. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I really dislike how you can't do that in a method, though. Huh? Now let's try 2 seconds. Bruh. Can I? Thank you. Okay, that does seem like 2 seconds, so yep, I'm just gonna do this here. just gonna add a little delay. Okay, I just deleted whatever I had copied there. And I'm just gonna do that. And here's the thing, do I even need this to be a coroutine? No. No, I don't. I don't think I do. Because the only reason I had it as a coroutine is for it to wait, but it doesn't do that. So let's see here. Nice. See what happens. Maybe. What? Okay, maybe that's a little too much. Uh, let's try 0.05. Nice. Now it's there, but it's just, yeah, it's just going very slowly. So that is a viable option, but I need it to only happen to when these are both greater, these are both not 0. Okay, so I need the player move to, I need the player move. Hmm. So counters don't work inside the method. So basically, naming a rule violation. But who decides this crap? Seriously. Because this doesn't, this has a naming rule violation too. Idiot. Um, only this part. Only this part. Maybe I have to separate them? If... Hmm. Can I not... Can... Okay, how do I separate this from the move? Like, if this... If these are both true, then I want this to happen. Okay, how do I do this? Let me think. If they're equal, okay, if I do this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. No. Can I wrap my head around this, please? I don't know what it is with me today. I just can't seem to think as well as I usually do. But I'm gonna get through it. I'm gonna get through it anyway. Okay, if this... Like, I just need an if these are both true, not inside of this, but outside of this, you know? Like, it would have to not be a player move, right? No, but it wouldn't work, would it? It wouldn't work. Because I still have to fit this inside the if statement. Let me think. If I could say if mm, if okay, when both of these okay, a statement saying when both of these are true, so an and if I put the ands there. The opposite of a statement saying if both of these are true would be if both of them are not true. Okay, wait. If not, if I'm having difficulty articulating. Like the opposite of this, no, of this would be if they're both equal to 0, right? And if they're both equal to 0, okay, I'm just trying. How do I do this? How do I do this? Am I gonna spend the whole episode today just trying to figure this out? Also, it is so hot in here. I know you guys can't tell, but it is so very hot in here today that it's making it a little bit difficult to function normally. Or a little bit uncomfortable to function normally. Okay, we got okay, do I have like random hairs on me? Yeah. I think I have random like cloth hairs on me. Okay, I'm not finding them. But it's okay. Let me just write something out. Okay, let me just... I know it's up there, but I don't want to look. I want to test myself here. Input.x. Can I not? Can I not? Oh, I can't. I can't do it out of here. I can't do it out here. Nice. Like, I want to say if... whatever. I'll just write it here. Actually, no. It would just be easier to write it inside and then copy it. I want to say if inputs.x is not equal to 0 and inputs.z is not equal to 0, then I can put this here. And then this would have to be outside though, I think. Or would it? Then I would want this to happen. No, then I would want... Yes. But these would happen at the same time. And I want this to only happen. Hmm. Okay. Why don't I make this a variable? I could make that a variable. Then I could say if, oh, actually, never mind. Fudge, I would have to, oh. Wait, why does it take a vector 3? What? Oh, I could just turn, yeah, turn that into a variable, right? Then I could just say if it is not divisible by, like if modulo equals, if modulo equals 0? Oh, also I meant to do my laundry today. Whoops. I guess I still have time. It would be if modulo equals 0. This is rad to degrees, yeah. If modulo equals 0, then don't do this. Oh, wait a second. Can I do this? I would still have to do it over here. I wouldn't, like it wouldn't be in the move thing here. But then I wouldn't be able to use the inputs. Like, would it just be better if I didn't have this in a method? No, I'm gonna try that. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. Also, I'm just gonna delete this. Sure, sure. Then I can just do this, and also I can make this a variable because it's just easy here. I guess I will. What is this? A float? Yep. Um. Um. What do I even want to name this? Can I fudging spell correctly? Float. Um. Oh, I see. Yeah. So that's why it has to be a vector. Uh, sure. I guess I'll just do that. And then I can just do that, and then I can just do if forward angle modulo 90, right? Am I doing this right? If forward angle modulo 90 equals 0, then do that, right? And that's fine. Else, then I do else, and then I can remove this here. Sorry, do I have to do elif? Else if? Else if? Yep. Counter greater than delay, yep. Then I do, okay, you know, I will keep that, why not? I will keep that, then I do, yeah, then I do another if statement. This is so convoluted. Forward angle modulo 90. I don't even need this, bro. Or do I need it? Can I make this into a variable? Yes. I mean, to get rid of this, I guess. Whatever. I guess I'm just gonna do FA modulo. This is like some mad scientist carbo that I'm doing right now. Not that. Alright, sorry, that was my dad telling me to turn my fan on. Yeah, this is seriously some mad scientist type coding, I feel. FA modulo. Yeah, this is some unconventional coding. Wait, I can just make a bool, bro. Wait, I don't even need this. I don't even need this. I could just make a bool. Uh, sure. I'll just do FA modulo. Okay, I'll just type out the whole thing. Forward angle modulo equals 0. And then I can just do forward angle. Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Definitely not. Definitely completely necessary. Wait. Oh my it works. It works. It works, bro. What? So this is gonna be okay, true, and then this one is gonna be false. But I can just do not, right? Bro, what the fudge? Oh my, bruh. Wait a second. Is that correct? Okay, wait. Wait, did I do this correctly? No, wait, I think I actually still have to. Oh, I still have to do that, I think. Or do I? If both of them are 0, then this doesn't. Oh. Do I need another one, bro? Uh, sure. Fine, why not? If. Wait. Am I doing this correctly? Yeah. Yeah. This is definitely sane here. This is definitely sane. What the f- What did I just do? Would it just be easier to... Sure. Does this need to count while it's not, while it doesn't have any input? No, I don't think it does. Okay, here we go, Brody. What? Thank you. Perfect. Then we do, then we do this here. Wait, but there's a way I can... This is overly complicated, right? I just want it to do the same thing, but just with a delay, right? Oh, and also, I need to test something. Yeah. I need to test what forward angle modulo 90 equals 0 equals to... I need to test it out in all the values. Most notably on 0. Forward, most notably on modulo, um, 0 modulo 90. What does that equal? I think it equals 0, right? Does it? And also negative 90? Okay, like, yeah, okay. Alright. What? What? Great. 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 Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, that's fine. So this just has to be up here as well. Nice. Sure, sure. Nice. Zero. Okay, now I need to print. Before I unleash this into the world, I'm just gonna do something safe. I'm just gonna do the safe bet, and I'm going to print 0 modulo 90. So now the only thing this game does is print 0 modulo 90. The field player controller dot delay. Yeah, I don't care, thanks. Was never used. Okay. Nice. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. And then forward angle, yeah. So this is basically saying that if the inputs are not 0, if either of the inputs are not 0, then change the angle to be the input angle. And then this is basically saying if it's diagonal, then wait, then have a delay. So I'm gonna change this to 0.25. Okay, I'm gonna change this to negative 90. And I hope that's 0. I hope it's 0. If it is, then okay, nice. And then negative 180 should also be 0. Nice. Yes. Okay. And then let's just do 135. 135. It should not be 0. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep, that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. That is the desired outcome. All right, let's let go of the training wheels. Or let's remove the training wheels here. Or let's let go of the leash. Let's unleash this code onto the world. Um, okay. I kind of don't want this. Wait. Yeah, but it has to. Okay. I see. I see. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to root to do this around here. Also, I didn't even have curly brackets on it. Pretty sure. Yeah, I'm gonna have to switch these. Then I'm gonna have to move this. Yep. Then I'm gonna have to move this up here. No, 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 that's not right. I'm gonna have to move it here. Then I'm gonna have to put this down here. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Actually, do I need this? Do I even need this if here? No. No, I don't. So I don't even need this here. That's fine. So really, I didn't even need to use that. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah. Let me think. Do I have everything in order? I guess I'm probably just gonna, yeah, just gonna remove this because it's just cluttered here. Goodbye, forward angle modulo 90 equals 0. Goodbye. Ah, okay. So this should only work on 0, 90, 180, 270, and 360, but also the negatives of that. So negative 90, negative 180. Yep. Okay. And then this should work on this should work on, what is it? 45, 135, 225. Is it 225? 270, 40, yeah, 25, 225. And wait, 45, 135, 225. Okay, okay. Let me just think. Let me just visualize this out here. 45. Okay, let me just do it from your perspective here. 45. Then it would be 135. Then it would be uh down here would be 225, and then down here would be, okay, yeah, then down here would be actually, is it 225? Yes, 225. 225 would be down here. This would be 315? 315, yep. And then there should be delay. And it should work, I think. And maybe shorten that a little bit. Do I need that? No. Okay. Nice. What? 8 and 19? No? Great. So I do need that there. Pretty good. Pretty good. No. Hmm. All that does is delay my input. So maybe if I just switch these around. Yeah, if I just switch these, it should work, I think. Probably. Wait. I can just do that, and then I can... Oh. Oh, it's actually just that easy. Never mind. You madman! You madman! Oh my fu... Wow. What? What the fu... This is so unnecessary. I'm gonna release the delay here. I'm gonna make it like 0.1. Or lower the delay. I'm gonna make it 0.1, and I really, really hate. Oh my bro, what the... What in the world? Did I actually just spend the last hour and 10 minutes making it so that the cube could stop on a diagonal position? I mean, almost hour and 10 minutes. Hour and 9 minutes. Bro, what the fuck? That was so unnecessary. What the fuck? What the fuck? Let's see, is anything wacky going on with the position? Is it like inching? Yeah, okay. Okay, that's crazy, bro. That's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. Well, good thing I found out how to do it, but also I really hate how I can't put this in a method. Like I hate this, bro. I hate this. I wish I could put this in a method. I wish I could put it in a method. Like, mm, I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna look it up. Delay method in what the fudge? Why is this on my recommended? Get that crap out of my screen! And I don't know what the fudge that is. And no thank you. Okay. Delay method in Unity update section. In Unity update. How do I add a delay? This was written, okay, not too long ago. Okay. After searching till my head started hurting, I've given up and now I need help. I just want to learn how I can put a delay in the update function method or whatever it's called, or what it is called. If you can answer in a beginner-friendly way, I would be very happy. If you can't, it's fine. I'm thankful for everything. Okay, and then what he did here was if it's less than 10, then it increases by 1. What? If counter is greater than or... Okay. I see. He did a count up to it. I did a time. I did a count. I mean, it counts up to it still, but it has a, like, a limit here. Like, he didn't put a delay variable in here. You cannot delay inside of update or any other function for that matter. Unity locks up whenever it calls your functions. Until you return from a regular function, Unity will remain locked up solidly. Two primary choices are use a coroutine. But you can't do that. What? You can't do a coroutine inside the update method. What? Oh, I understand now. I get it. Can I actually do that? Wait, can I do that actually? I just have to put it in start, right? Wait, maybe I can. Maybe I can. But wait, it just waits. So it waits. Okay, wait. Wait a second. Huh. Like if I remove this and then I put a yield, then I put a yield wait for like, what is it? A tenth of a second and then do that, would it work? That's my real question. Huh. Use a cooldown timer. Cooldown timers, gun bullet intervals, shot spacing, rate of fire. Cooldown timers, cooldown timers. That would probably be it. Uh, yeah, that would probably be it. This is the easiest thing I can do. I'm just gonna try and make another coroutine, and then I'm gonna put it in start, and then I'm gonna see what happens. So I try to, yeah. Alright, alright. This shouldn't take very long. Okay, sure. Okay. Whoops. Okay, then I do float speed. That's fine. What? Yep, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, also, why yet? What is this empty space here? Okay, so then I copy this, then I put that in there, then I remove this part. Then I do, yield, yield. Then I do yield return wait for seconds. Then I do 0.1. Sorry, new 0.1f. Beautiful. And then I just do one of these. And then bam, slam a jam. Then I do, sorry, not here. Not here. Then I do start. Oh, actually, I forgot this. Whoopsie. While true, which it always is going to be true. Then I do bam, slam a jam. Actually, I'm just going to copy this. Then I do bam, slam a jam. Then I do bam. Then I do, yep, start coroutine. Thank you. Start coroutine speed. What? Oh, whoops. Sorry, then I do coroutine player move speed. Beautiful. All right, now let's see if that works. Sure, yeah, I don't care. Thanks. Thanks, buddy. You know, I will just do that. Why not? Because counters never use this well. Okay, now let's see if it works. What? Oh, my Unity crashed. Okay. Yep. Unity. Yep. Yeah. It just crashed. It just crashed. Nice. Nice. That's super cool. Let's hope my progress wasn't deleted. I mean, my script progress wasn't deleted, so. Beautiful. Yep. Thank you. I still don't know what these errors are. Assertion failed on expression. I don't know what these are. The number of them keeps increasing every single time I open Unity back up for some reason. Wow. Error pause. What the fuck? Okay. Oh my fuck. It just crashed again. It just crashed again. Nice. Okay. So I guess that is not that doesn't work. I guess that just doesn't work. Nice. Thought I just closed OBS on accident there. Whoops. Okay. Nice. So that's a no. So the answer to can I do that in a coroutine is no. Okay. Let's do the next thing here. And honestly, I don't really know why I'm making. Please stop. Please stop. Stop. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that's doing, bro. Okay, and honestly, I don't know why I'm putting things in comments because I'm just gonna have them in this video. So, they're, I don't need it. So move. Yeah, like they're gonna be in this video. The documentation for me writing this code is gonna be this video. It's not like I need to save it, I guess. So delayed print, player move. Do I need player move? I might need it. So I'm just gonna delete everything that I don't think I'm gonna need. And then it'll be fine. Wait, wait. Okay, boom, slam. That doesn't work, so I don't even need that. Nice, nice. Alright, I mean, this works well enough, so whatever. It works well enough and it doesn't crash my Unity project, or doesn't crash my Unity instance. Yippee! I will figure out a way to do that later. Figure out an easier way to do that later. I don't know why it crashed. Probably because I had a while true. Yeah, probably because I had a while loop there. That's probably it. But that just means you can't have a delay thing on. That just means you can't have a delay like I want in a coroutine, which is unfortunate. Okay, what else am I gonna do? Probably not collision. Instead, I will just attempt to copy whatever he has here.
Lucidchart makes intelligent diagramming easy and helps your best ideas become real.
Ah, okay.
Hello. Over the next few episodes, we're going to be working on a mini stealth game project. So in this game, you're just trying to get to the finish zone without being spotted by the guards. This is going to work in the same way as the previous Falling Blocks
His seems a little bit smoother.
project, where every now and again I'll describe what we're going to be.
Maybe it's not. Maybe he just did the exact same thing that I did. Sure. Okay, I'm just gonna try and copy his layout as best I can here. And maybe I could just, you know, I should probably just make a prefab of the obstacles. I'm gonna just make an obstacle prefab here. Actually, if I make a prefab, hold up. If I make a sphere here, and then I do the okay, and then I do this prefabs. Then I drag this into here. Now it's a prefab. Nice. And then if I drag another one, and then I change the scale, I make it a lot bigger, it will stay the same. And if I make it wider, it will stay the same. So, so I guess I could just do a, yeah, I guess I could make a prefab for the planes. And I could make a prefab for the, yeah. And I could make a prefab
Implementing now.
for the obstacles here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm just gonna delete this. Yeah. Then I'm going to make a prefab. It looks like he has black. Oh, there, it's not quite black, actually. Now that I'm seeing it, it's not quite black. So I'm just going to make a cube here. And he actually made this slightly blue, right? What the fudge? No. Can I go back? Okay. What? Plain and then interesting. Yeah, he actually made it slightly. Oh, actually, it's up here anyway, so. He made it darker than I did, now that I'm looking at it. And he did make it slightly blue. That is close enough, honestly. That's close enough. Plain material, then I'm gonna make a obstacle material. And these are all separate, I'm guessing? Or is he going to make it so that they all have like the same path? Or is he going to make them all prefabs but attach them to a different path? Like, let me think here. So he's doing the ray casting thing for each of these. Is he making them a prefab? Hmm. I don't know. I think yes. And then he's just making it so they follow children, maybe?
Next, and then challenge you to pause the video and try and get it working on your own. Hello, over the next few episodes we're going to be working on a mini stealth game project.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I can do that, just not today. It's a little too late for that. My bad. Okay, gonna delete that. Gonna make another cube here. Gonna reset that. Gonna... Okay, bruh. Thank you. Okay, this is level. Nice. I'm just gonna put this at like -20. Oh, actually 0.5, sorry, -20.5. This one I'm just gonna make 20.5. Yep, beautiful. Then I'm going to name this obstacle. Actually, yeah. Alright, gonna put that on there. Gonna bing bang bop. Gonna make this dark. Real dark. Just gonna bing bop pow. Baby. Yeah, I'm gonna get right in your face, you nerd. Uh, okay. Uh-huh. I just want to get a good look at that there. Yeah, it looks like he just made them black, actually. So, going to just name that obstacle. Obstacle. Alright, now I can drag it into here. And I can delete it. Alright, now I can bring this in here. Rename it to starting wall Y. Sorry, X. Starting wall X. Negative 20.5. And actually, is there... What? Oh, I see. Um... I see. That's the default. That's the default position for it. I'm gonna change that to what is it? 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 here. Sure. Not 0.05, not 0.05. Okay, and now when I drag that, it's gonna appear there. Perfect. Beautiful. That is not what I meant to do. 0.5 and 0.5. Nice. Okay. Alright, 3. Brett, can you please select? Can you please just select there? Thanks. And then I guess I'm just gonna duplicate it, rotate it 90 degrees. Yep, change it to Y here. And let's see if that's good. Yep, that's good. That should be good. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I need to give it a little more room. I just want to see the behavior of the player cube when it goes through uh, a gap like this. Yippee! Crazy. Um, huh. Do I need that? I'm not gonna be using it that much, right? Also, I want this to be up here. I want this to be up here. I want this to be up here. Like, I could make them prefabs, but like, there are only 4 of them, bro. Like, who cares? Okay, fudge. It's pretty late. Let's see. What am I gonna do here? His is probably smaller than mine. His playing field here. Alright, well, first order of business here. Create another prefab. Make it, yep, do that there. Perfect. Okay, what? I wanted it to be 2? Oh, it is. Sure. Okay, then I can just set this to, whoops, nope, not that one. Set that to 0, set that to 0, perfect. Now that I'm thinking about it, I want this to be 0.5. Yes. So now I can do stuff like scale 1. Scale, yes, scale 1. Now I want this to be, I can do half at a time. Perfect. The real question is, do I want to make it bigger? Can I not? Thank you. Why does it not work when I do that? Okay, that's fine, I guess. Boo doo 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 doo. Okay, I'm actually obsessed. You know what? Nah, I'll just leave that there. Alright, let's make some more. He didn't have one in the middle. Great, whatever. Yeah, I mean, I don't have to follow his guide exactly. So it's fine. What? Wait, how did... Wait a second. Four. I want it to be 4. Why isn't it... What in the world? I don't get it. Okay, nice. Sure, why not? Wait, I just had whatever. I just had a pretty funny idea. Yep, okay, nice. Okay, am I gonna make this one the same size? Sure, why not? Bruh, bruh. I don't know why. It says it's 4? What is this one then? Oh, 3. Uh, yeah, actually, I'm gonna move this up. This is. I'm like, okay. I'm semi-trolling with this. You guys are gonna think I'm trolling when I finish this. Wait, if I duplicate, oh, nice. That's so much easier. Yeah, I could just do this now. Yay. Yeah. Okay, nice. Oh, that's that's cool, actually. If it actually worked, hello? Why are you going back the other direction? Hello, bro? I'm just gonna make this 90. No, I'm gonna make it 45. Bruh. Okay, this is a horrible scaler. Horrible scaling tool. Okay, and this one is not correct. correct. This one's also not correct. Okay, boom. Okay, and this one here. I want it on the grid, but like there's no reason for me to do it. There's no reason for me to want it on the grid, really. Whatever, whatever. Sure, I'll make it 8, I guess. Yep, good, good enough. Yeah, yeah, I guess that's good enough. What is this one? 15. Crazy. Actually, I need more room on the bottom here. So I'm gonna make this thinner, actually. I'm gonna make this, yeah, 2. Why not? 2E. 2E. Yep. Can you guys see? Can you guys see what I'm doing here? No? Honestly, these are thick, bro. These are actually thick. So I'm gonna make these a little smaller. Yeah, you know what? Should I move this up? Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That was a little too big. That's fine. Hello? Sometimes the controls are just unresponsive, which is fun. I'll do 8. Why not? This one is gonna have to be a lot smaller. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Oh, nice. That one is perfect. That one's fine. That's fine. Uh, yeah, I guess I'll just make this a little smaller. Do you guys see what it is? Haha. I'm just gonna have one pacing on the top here. Now this is where it gets semi-difficult here. Okay. All right. Yep. Here. I mean, it's gotta be big. It's gotta be big. Yeah. Yeah. 45 degrees is good. This one, I'm not gonna be able to make perfect. Am I gonna have to make? Am I gonna have to move this up, really? Nah. Please. Oh, I see. I can make it perfect, but that's fine. That's fine. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, I thought I would have room for this. Maybe not. Do I actually need to bring this down? I guess so. Oh, these need to be a little smaller. Actually, no. You know what? No. I do want this to be big enough for a cube to fit in. For the player cube to fit in. And then let's do bam. And you know what? I'll just put that one over there for now. Then I'll just rotate this here. And good enough. This isn't going to be big enough to fit anything through. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Big W. Got him. Uh yeah, I'm gonna rotate these a little more. These kind of suck. I'm gonna go back to 15 here. That's not what I meant to do. Okay. I do want this to be big enough for a cube to fit through. I do want this to be big enough for a cube to fit through. Please? Is that big enough? Yes. This looks pretty horrible. But that's fine. That's fine. This game is not going to market, friends. And then I do want this to be big enough for a cube to fit through as well. Oh my, it's just barely big enough. Good enough. Yeah, good enough. Alright, that's it for this stream, guys. Stream. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching me. And that today was day 10. I will see you. You will see me tomorrow. You will all see me tomorrow. Goodbye.